Imagine living in boiling hot springs, deep-sea vents, or even inside the guts of animals. Meet Archaea, the microorganisms that thrive where no other life can. Archaea are single-celled microorganisms like bacteria but made of slightly different compounds and components, containing fundamentally different genetic material. The molecular and genetic distinctions between Archaea and other forms of life are so significant and ancient that they justify the establishment of a separate domain. Hence, the rise of Archaea domain. They lack a nucleus, like bacteria, but their cell walls and membranes are unique. And its DNA as well as its molecular machinery are actually more similar to eukaryotes, plants, animals, and fungi, than to bacteria. Where do actually Archaea live? Well, Archaea are popular for living in extreme climatic conditions. They are known as extremophiles as they can easily survive in extreme environments such as ocean floor and volcanic vents. There are 4 general phenotypic groups of Archaea, which includes thermophiles that live in extremely hot places such as Yellowstone hot springs. There's also halophiles, which can be found in highly saline landlocked seas such as the Dead Sea. There's methanogens that produce methane and live in places with no oxygen such as in cow intestines and deep-sea vents. And lastly, acidophiles that live in extremely acidic environments such as acid mine drainage. Did you know? Some Archaea live in normal conditions too, including the human body. Amazing, right? Anyway, Archaea have a huge significance in terms of ecology, as it helps in carbon and nitrogen cycles. Archaea plays huge role in plant health by promoting growth, inducing resistance, and elevating abiotic stress tolerance. While under biotechnology, it is used in enzymes for industrial applications such as heat-resistant DNA polymerases. Studying Archaea helps scientists understand possible extraterrestrial life in extreme environments like Mars. Archaea provide valuable insight into how we search for life beyond Earth. A wide range of environmental conditions, no matter how extreme they might seem, can support life. This broadens the scope of our search for life on other planets. Archaea may be microscopic, but their impact is significant. These remarkable organisms thrive in environments where other species cannot survive, from the harshest extremes on Earth to thriving in the open ocean's plankton. Beyond their ability to endure extreme conditions, Archaeans play an essential role in ecosystems, constantly surprising scientists with their adaptability and importance. To wrap up, let's run through a few quick questions to ensure we're all on the same page and review the key takeaways. First, what type of Archaea thrive in extremely hot environments, such as hot springs? The answer is thermophiles. Second, true or false, the cell walls and membranes of Archaea are similar to bacteria. The answer is false because Archaea are more closely related to eukaryotes than to bacteria. Third, true or false, Archaea can only survive in extreme environments like hot springs and salt lakes. The answer is false. While many Archaea are extremophiles, they can also be found in more common environments like oceans, soil, and even the human gut. Lastly, true or false, Archaea play a role in the nitrogen cycle by converting nitrogen into forms that plants can use. The answer is true. Next time you see a hot spring, a salt lakes, or even a termites, specifically in its guts, remember, Archaea might be thriving right there. That's it for today's microlecture, everyone. It's been great exploring what Archaea are, where they live, and why they're so fascinating. Thanks for joining in, and I hope you found it as interesting as I did.